Uh, Hello everyone. So now that you have a general idea of the various ways in which the wires are installed, the methods of protection against electrical shocks and other dangers with the help of devices like the fuse, MCB, miniature circuit breaker, as well as earthing, it now becomes imperative for us to know as to how we should be uh, drawing these outlets, electrical fixtures in our architectural drawings, and to effectively communicate the design intent to those on the site who will be installing the various fixtures. So the first thing is preparing of the electrical legend. In this chart, which you can see on the screen, there are various symbols which have been used, and each of them represent the very important electrical fixture. So beginning with the switch to the dimmers to the fan lights, which are the lighting devices, as well as the ceiling fans, the table fans, then the devices for communication like the telephone outlet, and also the doorbell, everything that needs electricity to function. All are necessarily marked here. And then we come to the plan. In the plan you can see in white color the various electrical fixtures have been shown. Now you see there is a ceiling fan right over the bed in the bedroom. The switches can be both one way or two way depending upon the requirement. The switches have been provided outside the room in the case of the common areas. However, in the bedroom the switch has been provided inside right near to the door, like once you open the door you can access the switch. And again, in the white curvilinear lines you can find the wiring patterns have been drawn on the plan itself. So every single switch, every single dimmer, every single lighting fixture or air cooling devices like the ceiling fan, everything has to be shown on the plan. This triangle which you can find there, the solid, that so this is the telephone outlet, and you can see in the plan that there are two areas where the telephone has been provided. So it again depends on the design decision. So this is how the plan as well as the legend together are found in the plan, in the entire plan. Okay, the floor plan as well as the electrical legend, which will contain all the symbols with their respective representations. In the case of larger drawings like big hospitals or apartment buildings, large condominium units, or even airports, any public building, in that case the plans become very complicated and the legend is also very elaborate, and there are too many representations. So in that case the legend is also provided in the specifications booklet, so that it becomes easier to select the particular product for the site. And then in these cases the plans are made monochromatic, like black and white or dark shades of grey, and these electrical lines and outlets, fixtures, everything is shown in another color like magenta or red, so that it becomes easier to read these drawings. Okay, so this was all about preparing electrical drawings. If there are any doubts which come to your mind, please email them to me, bring them to my notice. So now that you have learned a lot about electrical installations inside the buildings, the wiring patterns, and as well as drawing the charts and legends, now there is an assignment which I would like you to follow. So please refer to these steps which have been shown on the screen. Base plan is any plan from any of your drawing design studios. You can take it or you can design one for this project. You need to find out the lighting requirements of the space and choose some lighting fixtures. They can be generic in nature. Then you have to list the fixtures which you have used and draw the representations on the plan. With the help of the guidelines,